Okay, you guys, I have been getting some comments on how I curl and style my hair, so let's get into a little hair care routine. So this is what my hair looks like before I style it. Normally it's a little bit more wavy. I did blow dry it like 50% and then I let it air dry the rest. But yes, my hair is naturally a little wavy and very poofy. Before we get started with our hair, I did want to show what shampoo and conditioner I use. I use the purple L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. It's supposed to be like hyaluronic plus plumping. I don't know, but this is what I use. I've been using it for quite some time now, and it's something that I've repurchased a bunch of times because I do like the way that my hair is with this shampoo and conditioner. Before I put any heat on my hair, I always make sure to go in with a heat protectant. The one that I have been using is the L'Oreal heat protectant. I love this one so much. It smells so good, and I typically just spray it in my hair, and then I let it dry, or I go ahead and brush it out while it has the heat protectant in it, and then I go ahead and let it dry. For my curling iron of choice, I do a wand. This one I believe is a 1.5 inch curling wand, and it just looks like this. I go ahead and I put it on 375 heat, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it heat up. Because my hair is so thick, I go ahead and curl my hair in 3 sections, so I'm gonna go on ahead and section my hair off. So I go ahead and I grab a piece about this big, and I grab my wand and wrap it around the barrel. And I like to hold it for about 10 seconds. And then when I let go, I drop it into my hand and I hold it while it cools. This is very important because for me, if I do not do this step, then my curls typically fall out right away. If I want my curl to last a little bit longer, I take some hairspray and lightly spray it while it is cooling down. Then I go ahead and let it out, and this is our first curl. Again, I grab a piece, I wrap it around the wand, I hold it for about 10 seconds, drop it into the hand while it cools. For extra hold, you can do a little spray and then let it out. Typically, if I did not spray each one individually, I go ahead and spray it once that whole section is done. For the right side of my head, I do the same thing. I grab my piece and I wrap it around the barrel, holding for 10 seconds, bring it to my hand, and holding while it cools. Really all I do, and that's how I curl it. I do have bangs, so I'm gonna go on ahead and take a flat iron and kind of flip them forward a little bit. Okay guys, that is it for how I curl my hair. Thank you for watching.